Namaskar, good evening. You're watching the News Hour at 10 and I'm Swati Joshi. Sidhu age shielded. That's the hashtag of our big story. It's a cruel joke on the survivors and the families of those killed in the Amritsar train tragedy. The man who risked the lives of several people and whose alleged negligence claims 61 lives is now being treated like a VIP. Saurabh Madan Mithu is the man who was on the run after the devastating accident and had even released a video in his defense during his hiding. Now, the state has given him a 24-hour security circle, claiming that he might be attacked. He is escorted to and from his house by men in khaki. The cops are dragging their feet in filing a case. They are only giving an assurance. कंप्लेनेंट्स पहुंचे थे पुलिस स्टेशन अपना केस दर्ज करवाने के लिए, लेकिन उनको क्या दिया गया? सिर्फ और सिर्फ अश्योरेंस पुलिस की तरफ से कि आपका ये जो कंप्लेन है ये हम अपने सीनियर ऑफिसर को फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे। लेकिन 6 दिन हो गए इस पूरे मामले में, किसी की कोई गिरफ्तारी नहीं हुई है। अब तक किसी के खिलाफ कोई केस रजिस्टर नहीं हुआ। एक एफआईआर जरूर रजिस्टर हुई थी, but that too was against unknown people. Saurabh Madan Mithu was on the stage when organizer was caught on camera asking people to stay back on the tracks, ignoring the trains that are passing by. Take a listen.
मैडम जी इधर देखो, कोई फिक्र नहीं लेना था उन्होंने, भावे 500 गड्डियां लग जान, 5000 तो ज्यादा बंदा लेना ते खड़ोता नहीं है सोई। मैडम जी इधर देखो, कोई फिक्र नहीं लेना था उन्होंने, भावे 500 गड्डियां लग जान, 5000 तो ज्यादा बंदा लेना ते खड़ोता नहीं है सोई। मैडम जी इधर देखो, कोई फिक्र नहीं लेना था उन्होंने, भावे 500 गड्डियां लग जान, 5000 तो ज्यादा बंदा लेना ते खड़ोता नहीं है सोई। मैडम जी इधर देखो, कोई फिक्र नहीं लेना था उन्होंने, भावे 500 गड्डियां लग जान, 5000 तो ज्यादा बंदा लेना ते खड़ोता नहीं है सोई।
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
The question is, who is the state serving? Is the state serving power or is the state serving people? Let's open this debate and go across to our guests with that question. We're joined by R.P. Singh, National Secretary of the BJP. Sukhman Singh Ahluwalia, spokesperson of the Shiromani Akali Dal, also joins us, along with activist Neelam Krishnamurthy. Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist, is also on the panel with us. Nishant Verma, political analyst, is also with us on the panel. A very good evening to all of you. Let me first go across to Mr. Ashutosh Mishra. Mr. Ashutosh Mishra, what explains and justifies this security cover being given to the organizer Mithu, who was absconding, was releasing a video, took no permission for organizing this particular event, for which people were standing on the tracks, and then a train runs over them and 61 people are killed? Why is a security cover being provided to this man?
So, Swati, Mithu needs this security cover because BJP supporters are prone to violence, and we have seen them as Gaurakshaks and mob lynchers, killing people, taking law into their own hand, and being garlanded by central ministers.
No, what kind of an argument is that?
As far as permission goes, he has already said that he had taken permission from the corporation. The chief minister has set up a magisterial inquiry, and how can you declare a person guilty even before the inquiry has been conducted?
All we are demanding is an inquiry, sir.
I mean, in this case, Navjot Singh Sidhu and his wife are being targeted to settle political scores for exposing the Badals in their...
Sir, the municipal corporation
no, he has already said that he had
any sort
the
of
permission, he had the NOC,
to this particular event.
And so that's why a magisterial inquiry is necessary. And that's what's happening, and this is just a case where the Sidhus are being targeted to settle political scores on behalf of the Badals whom they have exposed in the Ranjit Singh Commission's
You are trying to bring in a political angle into all of this. My very simple question is that the reply or the answer the kin of the victims want to hear? They want justice. Is that the answer that you're going to give them, that the Badals are cornering Sidhu, or that the BJP is doing something else? No,
justice will be delivered.
They want to know why this man who organized an event without permission is scot-free and is being provided security now that he appears all of a sudden and is claiming innocence. R.P. Singh, please come in.
Well, it's shocking. Rather, this man should have been behind bar by now. He should have been at least called to police station, should have been inquired, investigated, because there are obvious things. I mean, police pick up a person on a smallest ground, but
all right, I believe we've lost that line with RP Singh for a moment there, but we'll connect that line back with him. For the meanwhile, let me. Okay, I believe he's back with us, so please continue.
So not only that, saying that there are 5,000 people standing on the railway line, and they have provided the LED screens for people to watch from the railway line, and then say, let the 500 train pass. Now I have another video with me. I can't be sure, but which clearly shows that he was there on the stage when the incident happened, and Mrs. Sidhu was with him on the stage, and it categorically states that people have died. So many people have died. It's been announced from the stage. So if this all is there, then there are quite a lot of evidence which prove that he is one of the person at least who should be booked. Rather provided security. But police should have asked for his judicial inquiry.
Okay, let me take that point across to Mr. Nishant Verma, because Nishant Verma, Ashutosh Mishra spoke about the politicization of the issue and brought in the political angle. My question is political patronage being given to the organizer, since his father is a Congress councillor and he is known to be a close aide of Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu? Why shouldn't that be questioned?
Definitely the question should be raised if it is valid enough. The security has been given, and Mishra ji rightly said that BJP goons are in habit of trying to disturb the lives of people who are only accused.
And this question is not valid.
The point is that he is an accused. Okay, if he gets convicted, then it comes to be a different matter. But here what we are trying to do is hide the lapse of security and intelligence of Indian Railways, run around a man or a group of people.
And then that he should be called to police station, should be asked, inquired. Rather, it's been provided security. What are you talking about?
Arrested the Indian Railway officials?
Sir, have you been asked?
Please, one by one.
Sir, has it been inquired?
He was the one what your views are. Please, one by one.
How many people from Indian Railways have you arrested? You tell me, has the DGM been arrested for intelligence? Has the RPF been? Mr. RP Singh, stop politicizing.
Let Nishant Verma finish. I'll come back to you. Nishant Verma, please continue.
This is what लाशों की राजनीति BJP does. Stop doing लाशों की राजनीति, Mr. Singh BJP.
आपकी संवेदनाएं
मर गई हैं। आपकी
संवेदनाएं मर गई हैं। आपकी आत्मा मर गई है।
राजनीति है,
आपकी लोग
बंद कर दीजिए।
आपको कोस रहे हैं। वहाँ
if the protection has been given to the organizer, it does not make him
लाशों की राजनीति वहाँ पर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट नहीं कर रही है क्या? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट नहीं कर रही है क्या सर? After this accident, there were several insensitive comments of it being a Kudrat ka prakop. It being a Kudrat ka prakop, and then the onus was directly put on the victims there. लाशों की राजनीति करने का सवाल आपको स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से पूछना चाहिए कि ऑर्गेनाइजर को सिक्योरिटी कवर क्यों दिया जा रहा है इंस्टेड ऑफ इंटरोगेटिंग.
कुत्ते का बच्चा गाड़ी के नीचे आ जाता है इज वर्स देन व्हाट ही हैज सेड. कुदरत का प्रकोप तो है, कुदरत का प्रकोप तो है, कुदरत का प्रकोप नहीं है तो रेलवे का प्रकोप है. और किसका प्रकोप है? बीजेपी का प्रकोप है, उनकी गवर्नेंस का प्रकोप है, इंडियन रेलवेज का प्रकोप है. किसका प्रकोप है?
चाहे कोई भी इन्वॉल्व हो.
आरपी सिंह साहब, बीजेपी का प्रकोप है, आपकी गवर्नेंस का प्रकोप है, इंडियन रेलवेज का प्रकोप है. गाड़ी किसकी थी?
Neelam Krishnamurthy is also with us. Let's go across to her. Neelam Krishnamurthy, it's unfortunate that the life of a common man really does not matter. इतना बड़ा हादसा वहां पर हो गया, 61 लोगों की जान चली गई. There are still people who are calling it कुदरत का प्रकोप. और ये तो चलिए पुरानी बात हो गई. What is latest is that the organizer is being a security cover. पुलिस उसको बाकायदा escort कर रही है उसके घर तक, और उसके घर से कहीं अगर वो जा रहा है तो वहां तक भी. And then you have the kin of the victims जो पुलिस स्टेशन के चक्कर काट रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि हमारा केस रजिस्टर कर लीजिए. उनको सिर्फ अश्योरेंस मिल रहा है, नो केस इज बीइंग रजिस्टर्ड.
I think it's a matter of great shame, And first of all, I'd like to request these politicians to just let me speak for a minute. It's a matter of great shame that these people are politicizing the death of 61 innocent people. They are absolutely insensitive and shameless. That's all that I can tell them. Whether it is BJP or it is Congress, they don't know what it means to lose a near and a dear one. अगर इसी हादसा में कोई नेता या नेता के रिश्तेदार जाते तो आप देखते कि इसमें it would have been totally different. You should have seen the speed at which the investigation would have been carried out. Instead of giving protection to the organizer, the first and the foremost thing they should do is they should arrest him, put it behind bars. If they are so concerned about his safety and security, I think he cannot be safer. It will be the most safest behind the bars. That's the right place for him to be.
Neelam Krishnamurthy, that you have raised. That is a very important point. Let me go across to Sukhman Singh Ahluwalia also.
That's the safest place for him.
If they feared for their lives, if they thought that they were being attacked, instead of going underground, shouldn't they have approached the police for protection, Sukhman Singh Ahluwalia? And then releasing this video shedding crocodile tears.
Do that. So it is the same police who gave the.
So that question is for Sukhman Singh Ahluwalia. I'll come back to you, Nishant Verma, please.
This is complete gundagardi going on.
For the Dussehra, he is the president of Dussehra
Nishant Verma, this question is for Sukhman Singh
Mr.
Ahluwalia.
Verma, can you please allow me to speak?
Please allow your co-panelists to speak, sir. Yes, Mr. Ahluwalia, go ahead.
Yes, you know, it is very sad state of affair what has happened. This clearly shows what kind of administration we have, which is Gundaism. Instead of arresting the person who is absolutely responsible for this sad event, they are rather giving him the protection. And for 2 days, this Mithu was absconding, he was not available. Then he releases an emotional video apologizing with having a crocodile tears. And today he's provided the protection, and Ms. Sidhu is coming out with a statement, all the kids whose parents have died in this event, I will adopt all this. What is it, a mockery of the situation? What is this going on? This is completely ruthless behavior of any government. This is not acceptable at all. Rather taking action, rather pushing the investigation up to certain level. Today 4 days, 5 days have passed by, no action has been taken by the government at all.
In fact, Ashutosh
and today we get to hear that they have provided protection to the person who is responsible for this.
Absolutely, absolutely. And in fact, the FIR that was also registered was against unknown people. Who are we chasing here? Who are we chasing here? We don't know who's committed this crime. We don't know who's responsible for the lives of 61 people.
Have they been arrested? Do you say जिस गाड़ी ने आके मारा they are not responsible?
Ashutosh Mishra.
Indian Railways is not responsible.
Swati,
no, do you say that
the first thing that is happening is that Mr. Ahluwalia and Mr. R.P. Singh are playing politics here. Mr. R.P. Singh, in a typical BJP style, where they try to spread fake news, says that he is a video about whose truthness he cannot stand by. So he's again trying to spread fake news, and they're very good at it.
What
and
fake news?
Doing it even
in these
today
visuals, you can very clearly see Navjot Kaur Sidhu was there in the event when the tragedy happened, and later on she went on to claim that she was informed about it 20 minutes later.
The tragedy that has happened will be investigated by a magisterial inquiry, which has been ordered, which has got 4 weeks. In this case, the railways has been lying from day one. First, Mr. Manoj Sinha said that the track has a turn. Various media houses and have shown that there is no turn at the house. Then the Indian Railways Loco Association president has said that whatever happens, that area is under railways and they should be investigated by the railway commissioner. They are not trying to do that. What they are trying to do is try to save the railway minister who has spreading disinformation.
Ashutosh Mishra, what surprises me is, okay, if you feel railways is responsible, you demand an inquiry against those who are responsible. But how are you giving a clean sheet and not speaking even once about how this event was organized without a permission, sir? Without a permission, how are you not speaking about that? How can you absolve him? How can you absolve this organizer of organizing an event without permission?
Unless proven guilty. You say he doesn't have clearance. He says he has clearance.
I am not saying that. The municipal corporation is saying that. The municipal corporation on record is saying that we did not give permission to any such
Mr. Madan is saying that he has that So let that be presented before the inquiry. Now, why can't you wait for the inquiry before declaring a person guilty?
So are you suggesting that there should be, that the police should not be carrying out any investigation, should not be interrogating the organizer here, instead be providing him a security cover? Is that what you're suggesting?
The security is from BJP goons and Akali Dal goons who have been trying to spread disinformation.
If you have proof, why don't you approach the police?
Disinformation,
no, if you have proof,
and we have seen that Gaurakshaks and mob lynchers are the best example.
Do you have proof of that?
People can kill him tomorrow.
It's very surprising, sir. It's very surprising that you are trying to politicize this issue. I am just trying to tell you what the victims' skin are going through. I am just trying to debate on that one particular point, and whoever is guilty and responsible,
we can all understand their pain.
But let's not politicize by saying that BJP goons hai wahan par ya kisi aur party ke goons hai. But RP Singh respond to that charge.
People who are actually responsible be taken to task.
No, problem is to safeguard Mrs. Sidhu, to safeguard Mittu. They will go to any extent. Kabhi Prakriti ka prakop hoga, kabhi BJP ke goon honge. Well, that man should have been behind bar. Police should have asked for a judicial custody. He'll try to clear up the tracks now. And man, on record, leave aside anything, any other video, on your channel, on various other channels, there are videos, CCTV footage, which shows that man is there, lauding at law, saying, 5,000 log khade hai, madam.
Also, now what I want to know is, okay.
What are you doing?
Okay, RP, what I also want to know is, let me bring in Nishant Verma. Nishant Verma, so if the Chief Minister has ordered a magisterial inquiry and the complainants are, approaching the police with a complaint that they want a complaint to be registered against the organizer and Navjot Kaur, are you saying that the police cannot take any action, that the police has no right to register a case?
No, police does have a right to register the case. Magisterial inquiry has already been ordered through the Chief Minister. Now the larger question is, and let's look at it from the positive aspect. Always we should not go for a negative aspect. Let us say Saurabh Madan, allow me to complete. Let us say Saurabh Madan has been given police protection. Don't you see the other side of the coin? It means Saurabh Madan cannot run anywhere. He cannot run anywhere. He is under police protection, also under police custody in a manner that wherever he moves, police is tracking him. Kal ko agar wo kahin nikal gaya, that is responsibility of the police. Only for BJP to politicize it.
That is not a positive. That is not
BJP
a positive aspect that you're trying to bring in.
Arey bhai, look at the positive side of the coin.
Which is supposed
now
to
Saurabh Madan cannot escape.
And interrogate him by saying police ko ke ghar ke bahar bithaya gaya so that he cannot escape. When he wanted to escape, he very well did. Neelam Krishnamurthy.
Of course.
When he wanted to escape, he very well did.
What does
he was
the police
absconding, hiding, released a video.
BJP goons cannot come and hit you. Let the magistrate do his job. But look at the other side. Every coin has two sides.
That the way these people
are
suggesting
the other side.
That they have given them protection because they want to ensure that he doesn't run away. On the contrary, I think, first of all, the first question I want to ask these politicians is, do you think they would have given them the security if he wasn't well connected to the politicians?
Absolutely.
And number two, I think, where is the ambiguity that this man is not responsible? He has assured all the people there, the public standing there, that even if 500 train goes from here, nothing will happen to you. There are 5,000 people standing on the tracks. Where is the ambiguity left, and what is going to come out of the inquiry? They should have a police investigation.
Now we are mixing two things. Now we are mixing two things. Now we are mixing legality with emotionality.
It's just a sham.
You cannot mix the two things here, because there is where you should also ask Mr. RP Singh that where are the actions on Indian Railway officials.
This is what needs to be done. I'm sorry. So
when it comes to legal aspects, let the courts decide what the finality is.
Nishant Verma.
But while you as a questioner to Sidhu side, why don't you ask Mr. RP Singh what actions have been taken against the railway authorities?
आप अपने सवाल पूछ लीजिएगा, और मैंने पहले ही कहा कि चाहे रेलवे के ऑफिशियल जिम्मेदार हो, उनके खिलाफ भी केस होना चाहिए. मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि मिस कृष्णमूर्ति जो चीज पॉइंट आउट करना चाह रही हैं, उसको आप डिनाई नहीं कर सकते.
उन्होंने क्या एक्शन लिया?
Event was meant for people inside the boundary wall and not for those who were standing on the tracks. One, why was the LED facing the tracks? What was the need to engage those people on the tracks? And why was, that announcer addressing those people? आप उनको एंगेज अगर नहीं करना चाहते थे तो उनको एड्रेस करने की जरूरत क्या थी?
क्वेश्चन एंड एलिगेशन इज करेक्ट. लेट द कोर्ट डिसाइड. Let the court decide. Why are we trying to adjudge the matter?
That is my basic point.
Why are we trying to adjudge it? Let the court decide. The matter is already sub judice.
Mr. Ahluwalia, so if people are approaching the police and they want a complaint to be registered against the organizer. 1 second. And Navjot Kaur. So are we saying that the police cannot register a case because a magisterial probe has been ordered? Is that the case, Mr. Ahluwalia?
No, this is not the case. The case is that government is protecting Mr. Sidhu's garb, that Mr. Mittu. That is why the case is not been set against him. This is for the first time that when any event is being organized and there is a massacre and organizers have not been arrested at all. Otherwise, organizer is responsible for everything happening at his place. He is responsible for every act what he has done at the place. Now in this case, we know the LEDs were installed on the wall facing towards the track. We all know that he said very clearly that 5,000 people are standing at the track and 500 trains may pass, nothing would happen. They say 70 policemen were deployed. Why were not they be able to clear the tracks? Why they did not discourage them to go away from the track? There is no such record. Wait a minute, let me finish. Now today, what are they doing?
Absolutely, what are we doing is the question. It's been more than 5 days now. Nobody has been arrested so far. All right, a magisterial probe has been ordered, but why is the security being provided to the organizer against whom the people want a case to be registered? Why is only assurance being given to them? Is it because he's politically well connected? That's the question, viewers. Think about it. आपको क्या लगता है? सोचिए इस बहस को देखने के बाद. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे सारे मेहमानों का जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए थे. Thank you for joining us and thank you for your time.